Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're diving into creating a stunning day-to-night animation using Canva. It's super easy and fun, so let's jump right in. First, start by opening a blank video template in Canva. This will be our canvas for creating the day-to-night transformation. Head over to the Elements tab and search for grassland. Find an image you like and click on it to add it to your project. Resize the grassland to cover the entire video area. Use Background Remover tool and remove background. This will delete the sky as we want a separate layer for sky to place our elements like sun, moon and stars. Next, we need to add a sky. Go back to the Elements tab and search for sky. Pick a sky that suits your scene and drag it onto the canvas. Resize it to fit it and send it behind the grassland layer by selecting position. This creates the base of our day scene. Adjust brightness to make sky a little brighter. Now let's bring in the sun. Search for the sun and elements. Choose one that fits your style and add it to the canvas. Resize it and place it at the top of the screen. Then send it behind the grassland layer, just like we did with the sky. For the night scene, we need a moon. Search for moon and add it to the canvas. Resize the moon and position it low behind the grassland, hiding it for now. What's a night sky without stars? Search for stars and elements. Add some stars to your canvas. Resize them and arrange them in the sky. You can make copies to fill the sky perfectly. Once you are happy with the placement, group the stars and send them behind the sun and the grassland. For now, keep the stars hidden. With all our elements set, duplicate the entire page, which will keep all the elements in place for our starting point. On the new page, move the sun down and out of the view while bringing the moon up and positioning it where you want it to be in the night scene. Then adjust the brightness and contrast of the sky to give a darker nighttime feel. Do the same with the grassland layer to make it look like it's under the moonlight. Finally, bring the stars up by adjusting their transparency so they are visible in the night sky. To smoothen the transition from day to night, add a transition effect between the two pages. Select the match and move transition and increase the duration to maximum for a smooth, gradual change. And that's it. You've just created a beautiful day-to-night animation in Canva. It's a great way to add a dynamic element to your videos or presentations. Thank you for watching. See you next time.